Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to solve the issue value error missing key input arguments in Gemini AI API. So the reason why we are getting this error is because here in my code I haven't passed the Gemini AI API key. So as you can see, it's saying this particular argument is missing. So first thing, you just need to copy this, which is API underscore key, and after copying you need to go to this genai.client. You just need to paste it over here, and after this you need to specify your API key. So to get the API key, you need to just search Google AI Studio. You'll be having the first link, click it, and here to the top we'll be having get API key. Click here and select create API key. Select the project of your choice and create API, and just copy this key. If you want to delete it, you can delete it. And now just put equal to and double quotes, and inside it just paste the API key. You can just have an environment variable like a .env file and access it also. That's up to you. Now let me just rerun it again. And as you can see, this time I am not getting any errors, and I've just got this response for this question that I've asked it. And in case if you want to get the latest documentation, you can just go to this documentation option over here, and here we will be having all the basic code. And if you want to know about the libraries to use, because they have updated recently, if you go to this libraries, here you can see they're having the old library and the new library which has been updated for all these languages. So you can just go through this. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.